I never really felt the weight of family in my back. I just carried myself, cause there's nothing I have. There were ever moments when I felt the rhythm of life. It was as fleeting as eyes, I never looked back. When I was younger, all my appetite for power was large, and I would take what I need, because I always took charge. Now I see the people struggle from the top where I stand, and I get all that I need, there's nothing I have. I left my home, my love and friends. How pride and loneliness remain. The tower I built is meaningless. My voice touch and happiness. That is everything alive in the city of fog. I feel the cool, the breeze, I feel the coming of dawn. There's comfort in the silence of the heights up and out. It isn't ever enough to cure the loneliest hearts. And when the rising of the sun meets the edges of clouds, see the shadows of time, see the pain of the dark. And for a moment I can understand the joy of the light. But such a thought is naive, and then I come back to life. I left my home, my love and friends. How pride and loneliness remain. The tower I built is meaningless. My voice touch and happiness. I never really felt the weight of family in my back. I just carry myself, cause there's nothing I have. There were ever moments when I felt the rhythm of life. It was as fleeting as eyes, I never looked back. When I was younger, all my appetite for power was large, and I would take what I need, because I always took charge. Now I see the people struggle from the top where I stand, and I get all that I need, there's nothing I have. I left my home, my love and friends. How pride and loneliness remain. The tower I built is meaningless. My voice touch and happiness. I left my home, my love, my pride is friends. My demons stay inside me. My rage, my lust, my